Today is Wednesday, October 10th, 2018. I had the day off work, so I decided to come down to Vital, my regular climbing gym here in Murrieta, California. The top out boulder was being reset, so I hung around and watched until it was done, and decided to film today's episode with my good friend Kooooobe. You may recognize him from previous videos. He's pretty hard to forget. Kooooobe's by far one of the most naturally gifted rock climbers that I've ever met. With just a year and a half worth of climbing experience, he's already pushing the V8 and V9 range, which is incredible, those of you who know. And I rarely see him struggle on anything easier than that, to be honest. It's always a pleasure both to climb with him and just sit back and watch him crush your project with a smile on his face. In this video, we hopped on the new set and Kooooobe showed off a few of the climbs that he's particularly psyched on.
What's up, guys? This is Kooooobe, and we'll be climbing a V3 today. It's pretty simple, but very complex at the same time. It's like a wine. But yeah, so I like this climb because you got like a little to a finger pocket, cross over, and kind of pivot off, and you just keep bumping that right hand up until the very last couple moves, and then hit a fat pinch at the top. Strong mantle, baby. Strong mantle. Let's get it. Smash the like button.
Beautiful.
All right, ready? Alright, so this one is actually a V5, and sorry, I'll move, but I like this one. I usually don't like slopers, but these ones have like cool textures on them, and you can really like get in the grooves and get a good grip. But I really like the flow in this one, and just the movement. It's pretty dope. We're back, guys. We had some grub, had some food, and took a break because this next climb is pretty hard. It's a V7, very crimpy, very crimpy. Hurts the fingers, but I believe we'll get it. Let's get it. Like button, smash.
After Kooooobe's session here, we've been trying a little elimination. Basically, we're taking this blue climb, it's a VB, and we're using only the footholds, so only these round ones. Yes, 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 yes. No, can't use that one. And also the volume is on as well. So it's like V5-ish, maybe V6 on a bad day.
On a bad day.
But it's really fun because it's really awkward. So. It helps to be long and strong. I'm long.
And strong, baby.
Horizontally.
And strong.
Put on those big boy pants.
Put on my big boy pants.
Put them on.
I'm a big kid now. Come on. Let's go! Pull-ups. I'm a big kid now. I don't know why I put my leg up.
That's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Like button. Smash it.